Hello, I just received this box with Presonus Eris E3.5 studio monitors. I'm quite impatient to show you how it looks like and how it sounds. So I unboxed everything and I will do the installation. There are several cables inside the box. So this is to connect both units. This is, I think, to connect to the computer. And from the computer to the RCA inputs. So of course, black on black, red on red. Okay, it's not a bomb, it won't explode, but just follow the colors. It's very easy.
Right. Then on the second unit. So this is the right sticker. Alright, it's
Firm. Great. So this is the left speaker and this is, it's not written but you see that. So this will go on the right, this will go on the left. And before that I will put this cable. Okay, so the two RCA, so again just follow the color so you don't mess up with the right and left. Alright, so that's great. Very easy to set up, as you see. So this cable is, I don't know.
right, let's get that here.
So I don't have an audio interface, so it's directly plugged to the computer right now. It's not the final installation, but should be good for today. Okay, it's plugged. Oh, in here. Okay, there are foam pads, I think, to avoid vibration. That's okay. Should have checked that before. I'm discovering with you. So yeah, that's it. You have pads for both. But let's try them first. Okay, it's on, and let's play a song I'm working on. Okay, be sure that we have some volume. That's good. Yeah. Okay, probably the sound is not very good for you because I'm using my phone right now, but that's pretty impressive. The bass are there. Yeah, very good. I will need to put them a bit higher, okay, to be more at the level of my ears, but yeah, very good. Very nice little studio monitors. They have massive reviews, so I'm not the first one at all, but I just wanted to share that with you. And yeah, I'm doing a massive upgrade of my little home studio, so keep tuned for the next one. See you.